Hey, what's going on? So this one, we're taking a break from all the demo stuff in the boat. And what we're doing is, we have our rolls of vinyl, and we are going to wrap the interior of the boat. So we've cut some of these to pieces already, and now we're just gonna go through and we're gonna do a simple process. So this is the old material, and we're just gonna go right over it. That way we can keep the old padding and stuff like that, because the padding's still good, it's just this cloth crap. But we're just gonna keep the new vinyl over top of it and wrap it, and it'll be done here before you even know.
It'll be easier to clean, and the wood is still good and everything, so it's just easier.
Take a look at the old piece. That's what it looked like. Now that we've wrapped it, it's all done. Look at that. Nice, clean, smooth surface. Not this crappy felt stuff that just peels right off. Nice and smooth and clean. This one's ready to get put right back into place. Panels are going in. It looks so much cleaner when it's done.